Consider the following word problem for 4/7 divided by 3/5. It took a mule 4/7 an hour to go 3/5 of a mile. At that pace, how long would it take the mule to go 1 mile? We want to use math drawings to explain why you can solve this problem using the invert and multiply method. Okay, so I'm going to make a diagram that represents 1 full mile. Because that's the question, right? How long would it take to go 1 full mile? Okay, so this mule only went 3/5 of a mile, so I'm going to break this into fifths. So I took my mile, broke it into fifths, and 3 of those fifths took 4/7 of an hour. So let's shade 3 of them. Okay, we're saying 3 of these fifths. So 3/5 of a mile took 4/7 of an hour. 4/7. 4/7 of an hour. Which means, how much did each of these pieces take? So this is 3 pieces, took 4/7 of an hour. So what I need to do is take a third of this. 1/3 of 4/7 is how long each of these pieces takes. So we take 4/7 and we take 1/3 of it. Okay, and that would come out to 4/21. Which means that is the size of every piece in this diagram because I broke it into 5 equal pieces. So I have 5 pieces that are each 4/21. So I have 4/21 times 5. So now I'm going to times 5, which is the same thing as 5/1. And this could be rewritten as 4/7 times 5/3. Okay, which shows the invert and multiply technique. And that comes out to 20/21 hours. So almost a whole hour. I'm just going to add a couple more little annotations to hopefully make this clearer. So 4/7 times 1/3, we did that because we took our 4/7 of an hour and broke it into 3 equal parts. Okay, and then the multiplying by 5, right? When we multiplied times 5, because we had 5 groups of 4/21 hours. Okay. So the 5 was because we had 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups of this much of an hour. And then the rest of it is just a little bit of symbolic manipulation. I did the associative property lets you multiply these 2 things first. So we did 5/3, and we end up with 20/21.